Samuel Garden, Solid Rock Entertainment. Solid as a rock, they just can't stop you now. Samuel Garden, I beg them no pardon.
Welcome, Solid Rock Entertainment family. You're now tuning into Solid Rock Entertainment with your host on the Central and Treasure Coast, Sam G. I just want to say again, I want to send a massive thank you to all that have been subscribing, sharing, and just making the numbers looking good on the channel. I love the fact that you guys find the time to come on the Solid Corner, enjoy yourself, and listen to some good, sweet, positive reggae music, because that's what we do here on the Solid Corner. We're keeping authentic, genuine reggae music alive from the foundation till this day, right? So I thank you very much for tuning in and hitting the subscribe button. Every bit helps, you know what I mean? From you hit the like button, the algorithm bring up the rhythm. You understand what I'm saying? The algorithm bring up the rhythm. So I thank you very much, one and all, for tuning in, because you didn't have to be here, but you saw it fit that you should be here. So now Solid Rock got to kick it into extra gear, right? So thanks one and all for the support with the Burning Spear album review and reaction, the No Destroyer album that was released on August 18, 2023. Thank you for the support. The numbers are looking good, and I'm reading the comments, I see that a lot of people are enjoying themselves. They love the music, they love the album, and they love a lot of the songs off of the album. We're gonna keep it rolling, we're gonna keep it moving and keeping it grooving. Next up we have now Sizzla. I'm gonna do an album review this week coming up. I'm gonna do an album review and reaction of Sizzla's classic album, Black Woman and Child, as you see there. Yeah man. And as you know, we don't do bootleg on the Solid Corner. We don't do that. We support reggae music. We support the music. So as you can see here, this is the authentic copy of the Sizzla Kalonji Black Woman and Child album, right? So yes, we're going to be doing that. And we're going to go for it track for track, from track 1 to track 17. So you see, I got my hands full. But nonetheless, they're classics. Songs that will never get old, never get stale, never get derailed. Okay? So just stay tuned for that. Next week, starting Monday, track for track, we're going to go down the list of the tracks on the classic Black Woman and Child album, released September 17, 1997. So 26 years ago. So it's a 26-year-old album, but it can't steal. It will always prevail. Okay, so that's what's coming up next. Thank you for the support on the Richie Spice Black Man Time album. What an album, man. Richie Spice did his thing on it. And like I said, the Burning Spear drawing to our next gear, man, I tell you, man. I can't stop listening to that album. It's like every time I listen to it, it grows on me. And that's what good music is supposed to do. Sometimes, some albums, some songs may not hit you right away, you know. But as you listen and get the groove and get the idea of it, it's right there for you. You understand what I'm saying? So keep it locked to Solid Rock. And like I said, stay tuned for next week, starting Monday. And I have some bonus videos for you as well. Because, you know, we have to keep the spice and the variety. Keep it bubbling and keeping it boiling, okay? So yes, we have some nice little extra vids coming up too as well. That's review and reaction to some classics as well. But the main theme for next week is the Sizzla Black Woman and Child classic album. You don't want to miss it. Support it, share it, and I'm telling you, don't smear it, okay? And if you have love in your heart, come near it. Alright? So yes, remember, hit the notification bell if you'd like to hear when I yell, to put you under a musical spell. Like, positively comment, share and subscribe for the vibe as we keep positive black reggae music alive. Okay, and we're gonna keep it rolling to prevent you from scrolling, and we accept no trolling. Solid Rock, keep everything solid. Tuning out.